Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl cousin Chloe, and I'm here with a very quick tutorial on how to achieve a smoky eye. This is my 3-step process to achieve a very simple smoky eye. Hopefully you enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so what we are doing is we want to make sure there's nothing on the eyelid, and we are going to grab a regular black pencil and we are going to outline where the black eyeshadow is going to go. Notice that I am a hooded eye person, and I am going a little bit above where the hood flap is in order to make sure that the black is seen. And you want to do that on both eyes and make sure that you are doing a similar shape with the black pencil, and it does not need to be perfect. Then you're going to take that same black pencil and you're just going to smudge it all over the eyelid. Be sure to make sure that you're not going above that outline that you made before. You want to make sure that you are filling it in all the way as much as possible. And you want to make sure that you are getting it on the lash line. But the most important thing is just to make sure that you're filling in the entire eyelid as much as possible. And again, it does not have to be perfect. You just want to make sure that you have a similar shape on both eyes. Now you're going to grab your Morphe M507 brush and you're going to grab the black out of your palette. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose palette. What you're doing now is you're going to take that black eyeshadow and you're going to start smudging it over the black eyeliner base that you did. Be careful to not go above the black outline that you already created. And so you want to basically make short little strokes and smudges on that black eyeshadow, that black eyeliner, to ensure that you are covering the black eyeliner and making sure you have a nice clean base. Doesn't have to be perfect, but the main thing is you want to make sure it's smudged out really good. And you'll notice that I do check the other eye, and you can see the difference between the eye that's smudged out with the black eyeshadow and the difference between the one that is not smudged with the black eyeshadow. So you want to continue to do that. Pick up a little bit on the brush at a time so that you don't get black eyeshadow everywhere. And that also helps prevent mistakes. Now we're grabbing the Morphe M506 brush and we want to get a rust brown color. And sometimes I will even do this with an orange. But you want to get a rust brown color, and what you're going to do is place that brush right on the edge of where that black eyeliner base is, and you want to start smudging. Now, I will be honest with you. This is the process that takes the longest. I am not speeding up this video so that you can see how long it truly takes to smudge out the edges of the black eyeshadow. This is the part where you need to have patience. Get a little bit and keep smudging. So get a little bit, and light circles also help too. But basically, you're just going to get a little bit at a time, and continue to smudge out that liner on the edge until it's seamless. And again, it is a process. Didn't want to speed this up because I want you to see that it's not a quick thing to get the black smudged. So I'll let you watch while they get their smudge on. Well, I get my smudge on. So this is a good time for me to plug in and say, if you're watching this, make sure you hit the like button. If you're watching this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you're watching this when it's over, make sure you hit the share button, because we want everybody to have bomb smoky eyes. And we're going to do it on the other eye. And the great thing is, by using this smaller M506 brush, you have a lot more control over where the eyeshadow goes. And it allows you to have the precision that you need in order to make sure that your smoky eye does not get too extreme. I've often been told by people that they're afraid to do smoky eyes because they quote unquote end up looking like a raccoon. Well, using smaller brushes will help you to not look like a raccoon. And again, you want to take your time and make sure you're smudging that black line really good. Did you subscribe yet? It's okay. This is a good time to do it right now too, because I don't have anything else to say. So go ahead, hit subscribe. I'll wait. Cool. Okay, so now we're going to grab the Sigma E40 brush. You can use any large blending brush, honestly, and you want to get a light brown eyeshadow color. And what you're doing is you're basically making the edges of that orangey brown softer so that, again, you have a nice seamless look. If you notice a difference, as soon as I start applying the light brown on the edge of where that orangey brown was, you can see how much more seamless it looks. And it just looks like a natural flow into the smokiest part of the eye. See the difference? So you want to do the same thing on your other eye. You don't require a lot of the brown. The brown is truly just there to help with the smudging process. Light circles is the best motion when you're just blending out the edges. And I always don't forget about the outer corner of your eye when you are smoking it out. You want to make sure everything looks smooth and blended. Now let's finish the eye. This is the part where people mess up. You want to make sure you're not putting too much black on the bottom part of your eye, because that's where the raccoon look comes in. So you're basically putting a little bit of black eyeliner, tight line it just halfway on each eye. And if you do it halfway on each eye, you'll see that we're about to smudge it with a brown liner. And we're going to use a smaller brush. This is a Morphe M149 brush. All right, so you're going to take that Morphe M149 brush, and what you're doing is you're going to take that dark brown eyeshadow and you are going to smudge that black that you put on your eye, smudge it towards the inner corner of your eye. This is what helps prevent the raccoon look, as you all like to call it. If you're taking that little bit of black and smudging it with the brown, you still get the same smoky eye effect without looking like the eyeshadow has run on your face. It looks like it's perfectly placed on your eyes. So again, just take a little bit of that brown and smudge it towards the inner corner of your eye, and that will give you that smoky effect on your eye. Did you subscribe yet? It's still time. Go ahead and hit the button. All right, so then you're going to go and make sure that your top eyeshadow and your bottom lash line are connected. So you want to just put a little eyeshadow right in the outer corner of your eyes to make sure it's all connected. Like so, like that. Now grab that black pencil and you're going to tight line your lower lash line one more time, and you're going to do it very lightly. You're not going to smudge it super hard because you already did that with the eyeshadow. Now, not a huge fan of grabbing the eye to apply eyeliner, but this is probably the only time I do it. But you're going to take that you're going to take that eyeliner and you're going to line your lash line to make sure that there's no separation between the eyelid and the lash line. Technically, the look is finished. Now you want to apply your mascara, or you want to apply lashes, whichever is your fancy. Oh, I missed a spot. Grab that eyeliner and fill it in. Got it. All right, so grab your mascara and finish off your look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you learned how to do a very simple smoky eye. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.